അവിടെ അന്വേഷിച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ബോർഡിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്തോ ഇല്ലയോ എനിക്ക് ഉറപ്പില്ല. ഇത് കാണാനില്ല. അവരിപ്പോ തന്നെ തുടങ്ങും. പെട്ടെന്ന് മീറ്റാവൂല. 7 AM. ഇത് പ്രശ്നമാവും. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ക്ലാസ് കഴിച്ചു. Yeah. Hello, children. Hello, can you hear me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? After Saturday?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
After Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, we are meeting.
Okay. Yes. So I hope all of you are fine. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Okay. My video is off. That's what. Okay, children. So I hope everybody is fine. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we start the class?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Had your breakfast, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Who is that?
Yes, ma'am. It's Fidel.
It's going to be 10. Devaganga Santosh, I want you, your video to be open. Every day your video is off. Devaganga, switch on the video. All of you should switch on the video. Okay, and all of you should participate. I'll be calling you one by one. So let us see what we have studied till today, children. On Saturday, only Saturday's portions we can just revise. Okay. Yes, Nia. Okay, Nia.
Ma'am, adjacent angles.
First one we studied on Saturday. Only on Saturday's class, you say. Okay, I'll call. Nia, tell me the first point which we have studied in this chapter. That is, leave all those elementary things. We were learning about the pair of angles, isn't it? Pair of angles. First pair.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the first pair?
Ma'am, linear pair.
No. Before that. Complementary angles. Okay, Nia, tell me what are complementary angles.
Complementary means which add up to 90 degrees.
Yes, both angles add up to 90 degree means we can call them as complementary angles, and one is a complement of the other, isn't it? Okay, Amelia,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what are supplementary angles?
Supplementary angles are the measure of 180 degree.
No, you cannot say like that. They measure 180 degree. They add up to 180 degree. Two angles whose sum. Okay. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree can be called as supplementary angles. One is a
Ma'am, your
supplementary.
voice is low. Can I join again?
Yes. Okay. Are called supplementary angles whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, another type of angle we studied, no?
Ma'am,
What is that? Ananya, can you tell me what are the another pair of supplementary and complementary over? Then next step.
Ma'am, then we learned adjacent angles.
Yes, adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles?
They have a common vertex, have
Yes.
a common arm and two non-common arms.
Yes, two non-common arms on either sides of the common arm. That is the sentence which I have given, isn't it? They have a common vertex. They have a common arm, isn't it? Like this. They have a common vertex, children. Then I'll take. Yeah. They have a common vertex. Who is this? Hibba Fatima. Yes. Okay. Red. See, they have a common vertex. They have a common vertex, isn't it? Yes, they have a common vertex O or something we can write. And they have a common arm, OA, this ray is B and this ray is C. So OA, OC, OB. Three rays form a pair of adjacent angle. This is angle number 1 and this is angle number 2. Okay. And you can see that. Here there is a common vertex. There is a common arm. Which is the common arm here? Yes, Ashwant, which is the common arm here?
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Don't say B. B. Don't say arm. Arm. Represented by what?
OB.
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 OB. Ray. It is a ray, isn't it? So
Yes.
you have to represent it by ray OB. It is the arm is OB. Okay. So
Okay,
common arm. Common arm is ray. This one. This is the common arm. I'll color it and show it's better. See, this one is the common arm, isn't it? Common arm. And what are the non-common arms? These two.
Ma'am, AOB, AOC, OC.
Non-common.
This and this are non-common arms. This is the middle one is the common arm. Okay.
OA
So
and OC.
OA and OC are non-common arms. And OB is a common arm for the two angles, 1 and 2. Isn't it? Adjacent
Yes.
angles. We call them as adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
Adjacent
Yes,
angles.
ma'am.
Now, another one is a linear pair. Isn't it? Linear pair. What did we study about linear pair? Yes, Smriti, can you tell me what is a linear pair?
Ma'am, a linear pair is two angles.
Are they adjacent
Ma'am, linear-
angles?
Ma'am, they are adjacent angles and also supplementary angles.
So the what is the peculiarity? One speciality I told about linear pair. They are a pair of adjacent angles. So a pair of adjacent angles, linear pair. Okay, heading is linear pair. Linear
Whose
pair.
measures are
A pair of angles.
180 degrees.
A pair of angles
Whose measures?
whose non-common
Measures.
common arms form a straight line. Isn't it? A pair of angles whose non-common arms form a straight line. Straight line. Okay. So what is it? Linear pair. Linear pair.
Ma'am, can we also write like a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms?
Sorry.
form-
Here, yes, you can write like that. A pair of adjacent angles. I left out that. That's why. Adjacent angles. Okay. A pair of adjacent angles. A pair of adjacent angles. I told, but I didn't write it. Adjacent angles. Okay. A pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms form a straight line. Such angles are known as linear pair. That
Ma'am,
also we
instead
studied.
of
Another one.
form a straight line, is it R opposite rays like that?
Okay. Form a straight
both
line
are same.
also correct. Both are same. R opposite rays is also correct. Okay. Because this is the way it comes. I'll say.
Yes, ma'am.
Here,
This
yeah. See, it's a straight line, isn't it? It's forming a straight line. See this? It comes like this. See, the opposite rays are coming. And suppose this is the linear, like this. So this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, isn't it? And these are the non-common arms. Suppose this is OA, OB, and OC is the middle common ray. So OA, ray OA and ray OB forms a straight line. And what is the angle together for the linear pair? Is how much?
Ma'am, 180 degree.
Linear pair sum up to 180 degrees. Okay, this much we studied last class, isn't it? Yes. And one more topic we have seen. Anybody remember it? What is that?
Yes, ma'am. Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite.
Very good. That is vertically opposite angles, isn't it? Yes, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
seen what are vertically opposite angles also. So let us check that. It was about intersecting lines, isn't it? It was
Yes, ma'am.
about intersecting lines. I was discussing like this. If this is a line and this is another line. This is L1 and this is L2. Line 1 and line 2 are intersecting at a common point. Let it be here. I'll mark it as O, common point O. They intersect at a common point O. And you can see that this angle, angle number 1, we mark it like this. Angle number 2, this is 2, and this is 3, and this one we can mark it as 4. Okay.
Ma'am, the all four are forming 180 degree.
No, all the 4 are forming 360. 360 full circle. No. So
Yes.
what I can do? Vertically opposite angles are formed. Isn't it? What are vertically opposite angles here? Fidel, can you tell me what are the vertically opposite angles formed over here?
Ma'am, they are intersecting lines.
No, what are the vertically opposite angles formed here? Angle number you say. Which are the angles which are vertically opposite?
Ma'am, angle number 1.
Hmm.
And angle number 2.
Now, my question is, which are the pairs of vertically opposite angles? One pair. Tell me.
Ma'am, you mean like a 1, 2?
Which Aldos, tell me which are what are vertically opposite angles here?
2, 4. Ma'am, 1, 3 and 4, 2.
Yes, 1 and see, don't say 1, 3. 1 and 3, isn't it?
1 and 3.
Opposite. This and this vertically opposite, isn't it? So we
Yes.
can color it. We can
One
color
is
it.
opposite to 3 and 4 is
Yes,
opposite.
yes. We have to answer it like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Pair. If I'm asking which are the pairs of angles, you can color it like the same color we can give for opposite. These two are vertically opposite angles. And what is the peculiarity of that? Yesterday, Saturday, I have told. What is the speciality of those angles about the measure?
Ma'am, they are equal in measure.
They are, yes, they are all equal in measure, isn't it? They are equal in measure.
And 4 and 2 is equal.
Yes, vertically opposite angles are always equal in measure. That means we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to angle 2, isn't it? This name is vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, it could be also written as 2 in the bottom, like that.
Vertically opposite angles. Any order you can write the angle, but either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Opposite angles. Okay.
Ma'am,
Vertically.
numbers can be written in any side.
Not any side. Either it should go clockwise or it should go anti-clockwise. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
instead of giving numbers, can we also
yes,
do letters?
Letters. Okay. We can use letters. Now this is clear to you. Vertically
Yes,
opposite
it's
angles
clear,
are
ma'am.
equal in measure. Yesterday I told about one experiment and all.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear to us.
So vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Okay. Now another peculiarity of this vertically opposite angles also we have discussed. I cannot rub that. See that is happening. Okay, clear it. Yes, another one. Suppose I'm going to write letters as she told. She likes letters than numbers, isn't it? Okay. So I'm going to write letters. You should tell me another speciality of this type of angles. Okay. Let this be the center O. This is line L1. This is line L2. Now I'm putting the angles like this. Angle A, okay, angle B, angle C, angle D. I have written. Can you tell me what is the measure of A plus B?
Ma'am, A plus B is equal to 180 degree.
Okay, very good. A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Why? This plus this.
Because
They are forming a straight line, isn't it? They are forming a linear pair or they are forming a straight angle. Straight angle is formed there, right? Children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So we can say A plus B is equal to 180. Now what about this one? Are they forming a straight line? D plus
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can write D plus C is also 180 degree. Okay. Now forget it. Now check this one. Yes. This one you check. This one I'm this. I'll check another color. Then it is clear to you. Look at this. I'm going to color it. So we wrote A plus B. A plus B and D plus C. Now check this one. Are they forming a linear pair or a straight angle here?
Yes, ma'am. They are forming
Yes,
a
they
linear
are.
pair.
D. Yes,
Ma'am, it is.
A plus D
Ma'am, A plus
is equal
D
to
is
180
equal to
degree.
180.
A plus D.
Yes, ma'am.
Now another way you think it is again B plus
B plus
C.
C.
B plus
Ma'am,
C
it
is
is
also
a
forming.
Rectangle
So
180.
B plus C is equal to 180 degree.
180 degree.
So which are not
Ma'am,
180 degree? Which are not forming 180 degree? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically, vertically opposite angles. When you add up, it need not make 180 degree. Okay, it will be, they are equal. Only specialties, they are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C, D is equal to angle B. But when you add, you have to see the figure. Okay, wherever it is forming a straight angle, those angles sum up to 180 degree. Understood?
Ma'am, so
Yes,
if there is a question like ma'am, if there is a question like how many linear pairs are there in a vertically opposite angle, then we should say four, right?
You can write
Okay, ma'am.
4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now children will go for a problem. We'll do a problem. Usually the
Yes,
question coming is like this, one angle will be given. You have to find all other angles. It's like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Last class we did one.
I think we have discussed.
Yes,
Class we
one.
did.
Okay.
Ma'am, Y is equal to 55 degree.
Yes.
Find out.
Yes. Now I'll give another one. These two angles are vertically opposite. Okay. Now here I'm right. Suppose children listen. Suppose I'm writing 110 degree here and X, Y, Z here. What is the value of X, children? I'll call one person. They have to tell. Ashwant, can you tell me? Ashwant, others keep quiet. Ashwant, can you tell me what will be the angle X over there? Value of X.
Ma'am, the question is 110 degree, right?
Yes, 110 degree. Then what will be Y? Y, can you tell me? Y. What is the measure of angle Y?
Wait, ma'am, I want to subtract 180 degree.
Others keep quiet. I told you. I'll give you a chance.
Ma'am, 70 degree.
Oh, what is Y? Y, angle Y I'm asking. 110 and Y are what angles?
Ma'am, 110.
Why?
Because they are equal.
They are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So Y will be equal to 110 degree, isn't it? So value of Y is equal to 110 degree. Now what is the value of X?
Ma'am,
70 degree.
Okay,
70
Abhyuday,
degree.
1 minute, I'll call. I want to check whether they are listening or not. Abhyuday, George, tell me what will be the angle X here? What is the value of X?
70 degree.
70 degree. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Take down the question, children. This question you can write. Write down this question. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Abhyuday, what is the reason? Why you are telling, you said that it is X is equal to 70 degree. What is the reason? You told here I am writing it, whatever you told I am writing it here. Why did you say 70 degree, X is equal to 70 degree? Why? Abhyuday.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anthony Vijo, can you tell me what is the reason why that it became 70 degree there? Anthony?
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, tell me, Anthony. Why x is equal to 70 degree? No answer. Ayan Mohammed, can you tell me why we wrote 70 degree over there for x?
Ma'am, because 110 plus 70 is equal to 180.
Why it is forming a 180 degree over there? What is the reason? What is the reason? No reason? Yes. Yes. Tell me. Yes, Sri Lakshmi. They form? Linear pair. They form a linear pair, or you can say straight angle. Okay. So you just write linear pair. Reason is needed here. Linear pair. Okay. If it is a 3-mark question, reason carries 1 mark. Okay. So y is equal to 110. Reason vertically yx. You can say that vertically opposite angle. Reason is compulsory. Vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, so for the x, we don't say that we found it as because of the difference.
No difference. We
Like
just
this-
mention it that it is a linear pair.
Linear pair only.
Only
As
that
per
is needed.
Ma'am,
So
in
the
X3 we
examiner, the examiner should understand. It is not for teaching the examiner. No, examiner should understand that you know about it. That's all. So just write the reason over there. X is equal to 70 degree. Yes, children.
Ma'am, X is equal to 70 degree. Can we write because it's 180 degree minus 110 degree?
Okay, no problem. You can explain in your own way. That is up to you. But if you write linear pair also, you will get full mark. No, don't worry. Okay.
Ma'am, so we have to just say it is linear pair.
Yes. I didn't understand. What did you say?
No doubts, ma'am.
You tell me. What did you say? What was the doubt?
Ma'am, so we have to just say it is a linear pair.
Yeah, x is equal to 70 degree. Reason. If you write in bracket linear pair, it is understood. Figure is there. No, you have to draw the figure. And
Okay,
it is understood. Okay. Then y is equal to 110. Reason. Vertically opposite angles. And in the figure, it is clear. Okay. Then next one. Next one I'll call. And Ashram Krishna, tell me what is the answer. Z. What will be what is the value of Z? Ashram?
Ma'am,
Value of Z. Yes.
Z.
Value of Z. What is the value of Z? Think and answer. What is the value of Z over there? Look at the figure and tell me. Look at the figure. You can't tell. Yes, Amita. Amita M. Vinod. What is the value?
70 degree.
What is the reason? Z is equal to 70 degree. What is the reason?
Because it is also a linear pair.
No. X and Y. X is equal to. Okay, you can say okay. That is also correct because when you compare this, then you can write x plus y. You have to mention that. Okay, there you have to mention what y plus z is equal to 180 degree. There you can mention it like that, and you can write linear pair there. Understood, children? Here x is equal to 70. And if you write linear pair, it is understood because 110 is given in the question. Okay, here we have found 110 degree. Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Pair is, you have to write linear pair. Clear? That is one reason. Another reason, if you write vertically opposite angles, that is correct method, no? That is the more easier way. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite. This is enough. Okay.
Ma'am, because
opposite
x is already 70.
X. Vertically opposite to X. Vertically opposite to X. If you write like that, understood. That is understood.
Yes, and because it is equal.
Or you can write this way. X is equal to Z. X is equal to Z. Black bracket vertically opposite. That is also correct. Reason.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today we are showing the first activity, right? In the next class.
First activity, I told to send it in the WhatsApp. My number.
Yes, ma'am, I have sent it.
Yes, many have sent it.
I
Okay,
have
send
also
it.
sent
No
it.
need to discuss here. Activity, you can send it in my number. Okay. You send it in my WhatsApp number, which I have given. That's enough. Okay. Then only one, that butterfly activity which I have given. Okay, shall we pass on
Ma'am,
to
so
the next?
on which date we have to send the bar graph?
Yes, ma'am.
After 10th.
Ma'am, after 10th, August 10th.
Yes, after 10th only, because I have to correct all this first activity. After that only I'll see the second
Ma'am, and
activity.
the third in September, right?
What?
The vertically opposite activity.
That I'll tell you. Wait. That I'll tell you. These two activities you complete first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
First activity you sent now, which I have given a butterfly. No, that you
Yes.
sent. Let me finish correction of everybody. After 10th, you can submit the next activity, bar graph.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Double bar graph. Okay. So let us move on to the next question, children. All of you understood this? It is very easy.
Yes,
It's easy, ma'am.
Very easy problem. Don't make it tough because you are not listening. You have to listen to me. Then it very easy problems it is. Another one. You can see here. Next problem. It is little bit. You have to think and answer. I'll draw the figure. It's a straight line. You draw with me. You draw in your book. You draw with me in your book. This is another one. 2x 25. Here it is 4. One more is there. 25 degree. Then here it is x. And here it is 40.
Ma'am, is it 25 degree or 125 degree?
No, 25 degree. I have drawn the angle correctly, no? You can see that. Angle 25 degree, x degree. And here it is given y. And here z. Can you find out the angles and tell me?
Ma'am, do we have to measure it with
No. You have to use vertically opposite angles formula. The rules which we have studied. Okay. With that, you have to tell me the answer.
Ma'am, you will ask how we can we say it?
Whoever gets the answer can speak out.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the Z.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got answer for that.
Yes, he said that. Okay. Yes,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the...
Ma'am, it is 25 degree.
Yes?
Yes,
He said,
ma'am.
he said what is-
25.
He said it's
Ma'am,
25.
x is 105 degree.
Ma'am,
What is the value of Z?
Ma'am,
What is the value of Z?
Ma'am, 105.
40.
Ma'am, is
40 degree.
They are vertically opposite, no. Vertically opposite angles. So 40 degree Z. Now check Z plus Y, 180 degree, isn't it? So what is Y?
yes.
What is Y?
Ma'am, y is 140 degree.
140 degree.
Ma'am, y is 140 degree.
140 degree plus 40 degree, 140 plus 40, 180, like that.
Okay.
Now you know that this total is 180, isn't it? This total together is 180, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
this is given 25, this is given 40. Then what
Ma'am,
is
so we
X?
have to subtract both from 180.
Find out.
Ma'am, so it's 5.
150.
What is the
Ma'am,
answer?
it's 15.
Ma'am,
So
150.
180 minus 40 plus 25, isn't it?
65.
What is that? 180 minus 65. So how much you will get? Find out the answer. 100 and
15.
115, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, 150.
115 degree. Now we'll write it properly. Huh? I have written it without reason and all. You have to write the reason.
Ma'am, so the Z we don't check the top one, right?
This is 40,
Ma'am.
just opposite angle. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
After we founding the Z, we want to add 25 degree plus.
No. You just see this one. This is forming 180, no? So this is 40 degree we got. Now what will be the remaining here? It is 180. So 40 plus 140, 180. You got Y. First you have to find out which one you can find easily. Okay, find out the angle which you can get easily. Then you proceed with that. Otherwise you will find it difficult. Okay. So let us write about this. First, what will we write? Z is equal to 40 degree, isn't it? Z is equal to 40 degree.
Ma'am, so X is equal to 115 degree.
Wait. Z is equal to 40 degree. Write the reason vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. Now next one, we have Y. Y is equal to 140. Write the reason. What? Y plus Z is equal to 180. Under that, you can write linear pair. Okay, write it, linear pair. Then next, what will you write? 40 plus X is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 25. You can write the, and 180 minus how much? 65. You can write it as 115 degree reason. What will you write? Reason, straight angle. You can write that, straight angle.
Okay, ma'am. Also linear pair, ma'am.
Linear pair won't come. We can say straight angle. That is more better. Okay, because there are two rays coming from the common point. No, three rays are there. Better you can write this one. Okay, children. Let me take the attendance. It's too time is up. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So is it clear? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Next period you can ask me because we have the same period, no? Okay. 7, 8. Write down this in your note.